Friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or help solve the problem of Wise app. You will click on settings. In this page you will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter here. In this page of app info, you will go to first stop and you will click here as you see. Then you will enter to the window of storage and here you will click on clear cache. I already click here. So then you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching and your attention.